What's up, boys and girls? And yes, girls, I have been watching the stats and I know that 9% of you are girls. So let's get into it. Keep in mind that this is a video strictly for the beginners, and don't be offended if you already know this. So what about the steering wheel buttons, especially these two in older models? So let's start off with the left side. If you have your Beamer for a short period of time, I think you already know that this plus and minus correspond to this button here. That means you can lower or raise the volume on your stereo simply pushing this up and down. Okay, so these are simple. If you are still in the CD or radio function, you can change the stations on the right side up and down, or the tracks, by pushing these two buttons here. For a quick demo, the number 6, that is the current track, I'm pushing it down, so you push it down for it to change the tracks forward, and up for it to change the tracks backwards. These two are pretty simple. We have a few more and we're gonna get right into them. So let's start with the vocal commands. You have to have installed the Bluetooth adapter and enabled the Bluetooth and vocal commands to use this button. So if you press it once, you will hear a dong, and after that you have to say what's your command. Let's see. Radio menus.
Radio menu.
Okay, so it's pretty simple. You have a list of commands. You can choose one of them really simple. Let's do that again and I will show you something. Menu. Okay, so radio.
Radio menu.
AM.
AM.
And this is the farthest it will go. It will go on two menus only. Settings.
Settings.
Language and units.
Language and units.
You see, and you hear the dong, and that means that after the dong you won't be able to tell the car anything. The other button is for the phone. When you have a phone connected, now mine is, you push it once and it goes automatically in the last number. Let me show you here. I'll give it. You see here that this check mark here is for the last number redial. When you press the phone, automatically it goes into last number redial. In other cases, when your phone rings and you want to answer, just press answer call. When you want to hang up, press again the answer and hang up button, and it will hang up. So now we're going to the most interesting part. What is the first and second button on the right? The first button, as you can see here, it has a CD emblem, and something like, I think it's a CD player or something like that. So if you are in the radio CD section, let's go to CD. So we are here in the CD section. If you press it once, it will go to radio. If you press it again, it will change back to the CD. So this will change very quickly, change your playing mode without getting your hands off the road. So if you're tired to listening to radio, you can press it once and then it goes to your last track on the multimedia drive. And now the most asked button of them all. What is this circle with these little arrows? Very simple, guys. This is the recirculation mode you have here, not the auto one, but the manual. When you're entering a smoke area or a zone that you don't want the smells to come inside the car, you press it once and watch closely. It activates the recirculation mode in your vents. Your outside vents are closed and only the inside cabin air is recirculated around your car. This, I have to tell you, it's a very important button in my car. I know that I'm using it a lot. It saves you all that trouble to push once, and you see, if you press this button once, it will go into automatic setting. And to be honest, it doesn't work that good. You have to have your automatic sensor really clean. It works well on smokes and some other pregnant odors, but not in all cases. And another click, it goes to manual. So this one closes the recirculation mode. So it's pretty simple. Just to one click, and here you are on manual recirculation mode. Hope this video helped, and if so, leave a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to the channel to learn some new stuff about our cars.